question, but I'm a little reluctant to make it, because I don't know. It's like I've seen, I don't know if someone has like gone through something similar, but I see that usually bosses or people that work in the show business thing or whatever, they have to give honor to people that are above them, but they're very arrogant most of the time. So to what extent are we allowed to give honor to these people in order to like keep our jobs? Because sometimes if people try to, this type of people, like, I don't know, like if there's some sort of deity or something like that, but yeah, I was just wondering that.
I have to stay away from these people, because it says that Hashem created everything enough, and more than enough in this world, so you have enough oxygen, enough water, enough this, that. But one thing he did not create it enough, it's honor. So it's never enough. You understand? It doesn't matter how much honor you give to the person, he wants more. And he got used to, so it's better to stay away from such a people, from these jobs. Because it's a matter of time they're going to like eat personal life. If somebody they deserve the compliment, so you can give a compliment. It's proper to give compliment, but it's not, should be like not of the fear to lose a job. That's too much.
Yeah, I just thought of that when Moshe Rabbeinu was to face Paro, he was supposed to not to give him honor, but to be respectful to him. He was required by Hashem to do that. So yeah. I thought about, okay, see, even Paro was, even Moshe Rabbeinu was told to have some sort of respect to Paro, then what are these people compared to Paro? Like nothing.
No, but you still no. What's up? But still, they have some sort of position in the company, so I have to respect them. No, that's only proper etiquette to respect the position. There's
yes. I mean, in terms of arrogance, like they're nothing compared to.
I mean, just ignore them. So in the place where I work, there was I didn't see like much arrogance, but I saw so many smart people. Top people, and most of them were non-Jewish, men and women, especially several women. And I was like amazed that such a smart women, such a of course, the men would not allow them to progress. That's of course, even with all of these laws, with all of the feminism, right? So, but like many smart people. Were they arrogant? I mean, maybe, but I was all try to keep the distance. So maybe if you want to get in ahead, maybe you want promotion, so you're going to get closer. And I know they were going out like together after work. Of course, not Jews. They were going drinking, these like activities. So of course, so they would get promotions among the groups. Okay, but otherwise, like if you just want to keep your job, you don't have to do all this. Just do a good job and like work. Thank you very much. Good job, and compliment boss if you want to see it or enough. Just like pretend that you're not there. You know that you're busy. You're always on the phone. You're always doing something. That's it. Just ignore them. I never complain. Like never like. Well, like I'm busy working. But other people they try like it was. Very disgusting to see, like because they try to kiss up. Absolutely, I saw this.
So bottom line, these people are kind of walking around scanning who's complimenting them, who's not. Like, are we allowed to compliment them?
No, just mind your business. Don't compliment. I mean, if they deserve compliment, they did something special. You're allowed to compliment. There's no problem whatsoever. But if that's what they looking like constant compliment, just mind your business. Don't be there. Yeah, that's it. I try to avoid not to be in the company of these coffers, these people. Yeah, go ahead.